Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix TikTok draft videos. Open your TikTok app. First, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you can find your draft videos in here. So click on the video you want to edit. Now you need to tap on this next button. If you want to add hashtags, in here you can use them for your TikTok video. So now you can find this post option in here. So tap on it to post your TikTok. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.